Welcome. Today we have the privilege of speaking with Metin Durmaz, the CEO of Sagist Group, a truly remarkable international conglomerate with a rich history and a diverse portfolio. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Durmaz.
Thank you for having me, Emma.
Sagist Group was established in 1978. Could you tell us about the vision and founding principles that led to the establishment of such a multifaceted organization over 4 decades ago?
Our journey began with a clear vision to create something enduring and impactful. The core principles were always about innovation, quality, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From the outset, we aim to not just participate in industries, but to lead them, constantly adapting and expanding our horizons. This foundational belief in diversification and a commitment to Turkish craftsmanship has truly been the bedrock of Sagist Group.
While furniture and decoration is highlighted as your flagship sector, Sagist Group has an impressive array of ventures, including construction, steel frame building manufacturing, bulletproof wall production, organic weight loss coffee manufacturing, color cosmetics, carpets, lighting, curtains, and custom wallpaper. How do you manage such a diverse range of industries, and what synergies exist between these seemingly disparate sectors?
It might seem like a broad spectrum, but the underlying thread is design, quality manufacturing, and meeting specific market needs. Our experience in furniture and decoration has given us a deep understanding of aesthetics, materials, and project management. This knowledge translates surprisingly well into areas like construction and steel frame building, where precision and robust solutions are paramount. Even in areas like cosmetics or organic coffee, the emphasis on premium, specialized production, and a strong brand identity remains consistent. We leverage shared expertise in logistics, marketing, and client relationships across all our ventures, creating unexpected but powerful synergies.
Sagist Group boasts a significant global footprint, with operations and showrooms in 23 countries across America, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, all Arab states, and Asia. What has been the key to successfully expanding into so many diverse international markets, and how do you adapt your strategies to cater to different regional demands?
Our global expansion hasn't been random. It's been a result of strategic planning and a deep understanding of local cultures and economies. The key has been a combination of strong local partnerships, meticulous market research, and a commitment to cultural sensitivity. We don't just export products. We adapt our offerings and our approach to resonate with local tastes and preferences. Building strong relationships and truly understanding the unique dynamics of each region has been crucial to our success in these 23 countries.
You emphasize that all your products are 100% Turkish-made and first-class custom productions. How important is this commitment to Turkish manufacturing and premium quality in your brand identity and competitive advantage?
This commitment is fundamental to who we are. Made in Turkey represents a legacy of craftsmanship, dedication, and quality that we are incredibly proud of. By keeping our production entirely in Turkey, we maintain stringent control over every step of the manufacturing process, ensuring the highest standards. This allows us to offer first-class, custom-made products that stand out in the global market. It's not just a production choice. It's a core part of our brand identity and a significant competitive advantage.
With growing assets and investments, Sagist Group continues to expand its market volume daily. What are the key drivers behind this consistent growth? And what is your vision for the future of Sagist Group in terms of new markets, innovations, or sectors?
Our consistent growth is driven by several factors: continuous innovation, strategic investments in new technologies, and a deep understanding of evolving consumer demands. We are always looking ahead, identifying emerging trends and opportunities. For the future, our vision involves further solidifying our presence in existing markets while selectively exploring new geographies that align with our strategic objectives. We will also continue to invest heavily in research and development across all our sectors, ensuring we remain at the forefront of innovation and deliver even more specialized, high-value products to our global clientele.
As a strong, well-established, and high-level company, what would you say are the core values and the culture that define Sagist Group and contribute to its enduring success?
At the heart of Sagist Group lies a culture built on integrity, collaboration, and a passion for excellence. We foster an environment where innovation is encouraged and every team member is empowered to contribute their best. Our core values revolve around customer satisfaction, ethical practices, and a commitment to long-term relationships with our clients, our partners, and our employees. This strong foundation of shared values and a dedicated team is what truly drives our enduring success.
Thank you, Mr. Durmaz, for providing such insightful answers about Sagist Group.
It was my pleasure, Emma. Thank you.